and go.
How you doing? My name is Peter with OTTE. I'm here with Brian, and we're here to display and tell you about the new Sniper Anorak that we have debuted for the Spring 11 season. So, Brian, you can show us what we have here?
Hello everybody, my name is Brian. This is the Recce or Sniper Anorak. We haven't really come up with a solid name for it. It's probably going to be the Recce Anorak. It's got a lot of features that basically came from my experience in operating in theater. Basically where this came from was hiking up to the top of a mountain, overwatching a trail, having the weather move in on you, and needing a good piece of kit to basically throw over the top of your plate carrier with some functionality to allow you to access your kit. So we'll just go ahead and start going through the different features of the Anorak. First thing, it's a pullover. It splits up the side right here, so it's a side entry piece with a snap. Okay, goes the zipper actually goes all the way up to the elbow. Connects to the pit zip, so you can get some really good ventilation and get into the Anorak by pulling it over pretty easily. And then it's got a snap to secure it at the bottom in case you need to access your blowout kit or your radio, or if you're running a pistol. That way you can have your pistol poking through or whatever piece of kit and zip it down so that it's snug and you can get to and access whatever you need to access. What we did here is we went ahead and with the kangaroo pocket, and it's a push-through pocket so you can get to your magazines. Like I said, the main reason I designed this and gave it a lot of functionality was if you're sitting in an OP, you want to throw it on over the top of you to keep the weather off, but you can still access your gear because it's never, you don't really have any good options when you get into that type of situation, because you have the choice. You can pull your warming layer or your gear out of your pack, put it on over your kit, your plate carrier, and then you have to deal with not being able to access your magazines if you have a contact. So I made it so that you could poke your magazines through, get to your gear, you can split the collar open, you can get to your tourniquet, you can get to your admin pouch. Right here we've got pockets that we put on the sleeves so that you don't have to wear the arm boards anymore. Those NFL quarterback arm boards that are a big pain in the butt to take on or put on and take off. You can put your GRG, your ground reference guide, on one side, your targeting information. I put some Velcro on the bottom here so that you can illuminate. You'll see we've got the S&S Precision V-Lights that are really great for that function. Good guys over there at S&S Precision, Drew and Barry. You can drop your GPS in there. You can also take a shot tray with 5 rounds of 7.62 and drop it in there if you're running a bolt gun and breech loading from your bolt gun. Other features that I included in there, we put shock cord on the hood and on the shoulders as like a built-in ghillie platform so that you can go ahead and garnish up with whatever natural veg is in your immediate area, or you can tie jute on there if you want to. I didn't really design it for the jute function because it tends to get tangled in your Velcro, your pack, your weapon sling, all that other stuff. But it's a good idea to be able to veg with whatever's in your immediate environment to help break up your head and shoulder outline. Let's see. Oh, got the pocket on the other side here so that you can access it from the prone. When you're laying down, you can get to your rangefinder, you can get to your small set of binoculars or whatever you need to get to from the prone position. Obviously, we've got arm pockets here with Velcro for IFF. Standard, 4x5 arm pocket for a can of snuff or whatever you need. So that's basically the Anorak. It's made out of a Durastretch tweed fabric, which guys here at OTTE could tell you more about if you're interested or so inclined. For any other information on this jacket, feel free to contact OTTE Gear. That's all I got.